Hey tubers, and welcome back to another video. This one featuring a complete LED installation in one of the recent Athearn Genesis ES40DC units. This particular unit came from the factory already installed with sound. This right here is the factory Tsunami2 board, and then located up here is the factory located speaker. Coming out from underneath the shell, you can see our leads for the LEDs, which we've used our 0402 super mini LEDs, super micros. Those are going to 8 individual lights on the unit. So in the back we have 2 ditch lights which require their own function. We have 2 LEDs for the 2 lens rear headlight, and then we have the exact mirror up in the front. We've got 2 ditch lights, each requiring their own function, and then we have a 2 lens headlight, again requiring 2 more LEDs. So on a functional breakdown, this resistor right here is tied to the front headlight LED. This resistor right here is tied to the 2 LEDs for the rear headlight, and then each one of these resistors is on a function for each of the independent ditch lights. Since these will flash when the horn is sounded, we need to make the rear lights, the rear ditch lights, completely independent, and the 2 front ditch lights completely independent. So depending upon which direction you're going, the 2 front ditch lights will flash when the horn is sounded, and then the 2 rear ditch lights will sound when the horn is sounded when going in reverse. So anyways, we've accounted for all of the functions that we need. The other important thing on the Tsunami2 OEM board is that they have a 14 volt common output. So all the common sides of the LEDs will be tied to this little strip that we've installed, and then the negative side of the LED will go to each one of these resistors, and we're using a 1000 ohm resistor to give plenty of good brightness for these LEDs. Plenty of protection, but also plenty bright in the finished product. So once we have this thing buttoned up, we will get this out on the test track, give it a spin, and show you what we're doing with it. Thanks guys, and if you got any questions, let us know. Later.